Hi guys, in today's lesson we're looking at whether a point lies inside, outside or on the circle. If a point lies inside the circle, your equation of the circle will be less than the radius squared. If your point is outside the circle, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared will be greater than the radius squared, and if it's on the circle, the left hand side of your equation will equal the radius squared, will equal the right hand side. Okay, let's look at an example. Investigate if the points 7 minus 5, 6, 8 minus 6 are outside, inside, or on the circle. Of the circle x minus 4 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 25. So to investigate if the point lies inside, outside, or on the circle, we take our points and we substitute it into our equation of the circle. Taking the point 7 minus 5 and substituting it into our equation of the circle gives us 7 minus 4 squared plus minus 5 plus 1 squared equals 25. This simplifies to 3 squared plus minus 4 squared equals 25. 9 plus 16 equals 25, and 25 equals 25. The left-hand side is equal to the radius squared. The point 7 minus 5 is on the circle. Let's take our point 8 minus 6. Our equation of the circle is x minus 4 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals 25. Substituting these points in gives us 8 minus 4 squared plus minus 6 plus 1 squared equals 25. This gives us 4 squared plus minus 5 squared equals 25. 16 plus 25 equals 25. This gives us 41, which is greater than 25. Therefore, this point lies outside the circle. Note that if you're given the equation in the form of x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c, the point is in the circle when your equation is less than 0. The point is outside the circle if your equation is greater than 0. And the point is on the circle if your equation is equal to 0. Please pause and take note of this. Let's try one more example. Tell if the point is inside, outside, or on the circle. We have the point 5, 6. Substituting our points into our equation of the circle gives us 5 minus 13 squared plus 6 minus 6 squared equals 5 squared. We need to check to see whether the left-hand side is less than, equal than, or greater to 5 squared. This gives us minus 8 squared plus 0 squared equals 25. 64 is greater than 25. Therefore, this point is outside the circle. Let's try another point. Let's try another example. This is question 7 on exercise 9.3. We're given the circle x squared plus y squared minus a squared x plus ay minus 22. And we're told that it contains the point 2, 4 and asked to find the value of a. We know that if our equation contains the point 2, 4, when we substitute in 2, 4 to our equation of the circle, our equation will equal 0. So taking our point of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4, we substitute it into our equation of the circle and we equate this to 0 as this point lies on the circle. From here we solve for a. This gives us 4 plus 16 minus 2a squared plus 4a minus 22 is equal to 0. Grouping together our like terms, and we get minus 2a squared plus 4a minus 2 equals 0. I now need to factorize to solve for a, but first I will divide by my common factor and also divide everything by minus 1 so that the coefficient in front of the a squared is positive. So dividing everything by minus 2 gives us a squared minus 2a plus 1 equals 0. And factorizing this, the factors of a squared are a and a. The factors of 1 are 1 and 1. So our factors are a minus 1 and a minus 1. Solving for a here, putting our bracket equal to 0 gives us a minus 1 equals 0. And solving for a gives us a is equal to 1. So to find an unknown point in your equation of the circle, we substitute in the point that we're given, equate it to 0 and solve. Please pause and take down this example.